Let me ask you a question. How would you like to be on the leading edge of a new product that could quite possibly make guitar players across the world, make it easier for them to work on their guitar, and when you're done working on your guitar, you can display it? Well, enter Dave Summerfield and the Personal Guitar Workshop. Now, I have to say this, I don't know Dave. I know he lives close by because I did a little research on his Kickstarter campaign. I don't know Dave, I just stumbled across this thing and I think it's super cool. And I think he's got a killer idea, especially for those of us who like to work on our guitar and then have a stand to put it in so it doesn't fall over or the cat doesn't knock it down. In my case, a huge 120-pound dog. So I want you guys to take a look at this Kickstarter. If you feel inspired, shoot Dave a message, donate to the campaign, just know about it, share it with your friends. I think you'll dig it. So Levi, cue the video.
Hi, I'm Dave Summerfield. Let me introduce you to the Personal Guitar Workshop. Enthusiasts around the world invest hundreds, even thousands of dollars into their guitars, but when it comes to working on the neck or frets, restringing, polishing, refurbishing, and general repairs, there has been nothing to use until now. Introducing the Personal Guitar Workshop. The PGW is a solid foundation that has been engineered to securely and yet gently hold your guitar in any position necessary to perform your work. With non-reactive rubber contact points and a soft leather guard pad, the PGW will never harm your guitar while work is done. 5 simple adjustments can hold virtually all guitars, including acoustic, electric, and many other stringed instruments. And when the work is done, the PGW slides easily into the provided stand to display your beloved guitar.